Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I will be giving you a behind the scenes look at the backend of short video app. If you have ever wondered how these apps work, you are in the right place. Let's start by looking at the dashboard section of our short video app backend. This is the central hub of app. Here you will notice total number of users, verification badge verification request and number of uploaded videos and the average time user is spending on app. That's a quick overview. Now let's move on to the role manager section of backend. You can see the list of roles such as marketing, digital marketing, sub admin and admin. Each role has different level of access and responsibilities within the app. You can also filter and view roles by date, which make it simple to manage team effectively. Next up is the user manager. Here we can see all user along with their contact or registration number, total followers, likes, subscriber. It also show how many chips a user has. You can see here and make whether their profile is active or not. You can see the status here. Let's look the chips purchase manager. In this section, we can track the number of chips purchased by user, the date they bought them, and how much money they spent on these chips. And here you will see a user has just bought 8,000 chips. Finally, let's check out the sound manager. This section displays detail about each sound including its name, playlist name, artist name, date added and the number of time it has been used. See. Lastly, we have the country manager. Here we can see the country code, country name, date it was created and its status, either it's active or not. And that wrap up of our tour of the backend for a short video app. I hope this gave you a clear view of how everything works behind the scenes.